just like everybody else. When I first met them, started hanging out over there, I had wanted it, you know, they say, oh, you want to get your bell done? And I was like, you know, yeah, I do, but I'm not ready, you know? And I think inside I was just really nervous, you know? And it was one thing about the Tatau that, you know, growing up as a Samoan, everybody would tell you, man, that's the worst pain that you can ever feel in your life, and people die from it. So those sort of thoughts and you know, ingrained in your mind, and it's stuck there forever. I don't know if I felt it in that sense. I think I felt I was just excited to do it, you know, and to learn more about my culture. But yeah, I guess because I was half Samoan and growing up that way, you know, my mother and my grandmother was always encouraging of us learning the language and learning about the culture and keeping us involved in any sort of ceremonial type events that would happen within the family or, you know, with church.